In this video, how to fix this error on Google Chrome. To fix it, let open Windows Explorer, then navigate to the following location. Right-click on the Chrome application, then select Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab, then enable the compatibility mode. Once enabled, right-click on the Chrome application, then disable the compatibility mode. Close all opening Chrome windows, then reopen to verify it works. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.